Hey everyone, this is Abhishek from Gleev Motors and I am here today with our latest offering, Protos VMX. So in this video we are going to learn about the ways in which you can fold and unfold the scooter. So in the beginning, for those new users, this might be confusing, so we are uploading this video so it becomes easy for you to understand how to fold the scooter. So currently the scooter is in folded condition, as you can see. So to fold or unfold the scooter, you will see this is a lever. This lever is pulled outwards, then actually it locks the handlebar in its position. So first step will be to pull this pin outwards. If you feel it is jammed, so give a slight movement, up and down movement, and then try to pull. As you can see, now the pin is out. Then we will start raising the handlebar. Now when it reaches at this position, you need to give it a push. You need to push this handlebar forward. Now you can see this pin has locked in its place. Now it is safe to ride. Now the next step will be, you can see a lever is here. This is a quick release lever. Just open it, raise the handlebar. Now you will see a mark here. This is the topmost position in which you can keep the handlebar. So move it slightly down and then just close this. Now the handlebars need to be unfolded. This is a very simple process, unfolding. Just push it and these collars will slide in their position. Now you must remember one thing: you should not rotate these collars. These are not for rotating, these are only for moving in this direction. So now that we have unlocked the scooter, now the step to ride is this one is just turn on the ignition. You can also do it by the ignition key. Turn on the ignition, press this for 2 seconds. Now it is ready to ride. You can change the speed mode. Just press the power button once and then press the mode buttons. You will see 1, 2, 3 displaying on this. So in this way you can change the speed modes. Now how to start it using the remote. So if you look closely, there are 4 buttons on this remote. So this power button, we need to press it twice. Now you will hear a sound. Now the scooter is turned on. Now to turn it off, you press this unlock button. Now it is turned off. Now to engage the alarm, this button, press the lock button. Now the alarm has been engaged. You will hear a beep sound. Now if someone will try to move it, you will hear alarm. And there is also one button. You can use this to find your scooter if it is parked somewhere and you can't find it. So this is how we start the scooter. There is also a side stand here on the side, so you can use that. Now now since the alarm is engaged and we have moved the scooter, that's why it has started sounding an alarm. So okay, now how to turn it off and fold the scooter. The first step will be open this, lower the handlebar, and then give a slight upward pressure on this handlebar and then move it. Slight upward pressure and then move it. Now when you want to take out the spin, it won't come out. You'll have to again, like in the beginning you did for unfolding, for folding also you need to push it forward and then pull. Now you'll hear a click sound and now the scooter is in lock position. And now you can don't pick it up from here. The balance point is on this part. So this is how you fold the scooter. So that's the tutorial regarding folding and unfolding of Protos VMX. And there will be our website and WhatsApp number in the description. So if you want to order the scooter, you can use those. And if you have any other questions, you can ask. Thank you for watching.